Jessica, can I ask you a question?
Of course. What is it?
What do you do in your free time?
That is a good question.
Is it a difficult question?
A little. I do many different things.
Really? Tell me about them.
Okay, but first, what does free time mean?
Free time is the time when you are not working or studying.
So it is time for myself.
Exactly. Time to relax and do things you enjoy. So, what do you usually do in your free time?
I usually read books.
What kind of books do you like?
I like travel books and simple stories.
Do you read every day?
Not every day. I usually read in the evening.
Where do you read?
I sit in my favorite chair near the window.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, I make a cup of tea, sit down, and read.
How long do you usually read?
Maybe 20 or 30 minutes?
Do you read English bills?
Sometimes, but I choose easy English books.
That is a good way to learn English.
Yes, I learn new words, but I also enjoy the story.
Can you say the main sentence slowly?
I usually read books in my free time.
Great. One more time.
I usually read books in my free time.
Perfect. What else do you do?
I also like going for walks.
Do you walk in the city?
Sometimes, but I prefer walking in nature
Why do you like it?
because it is quiet and peaceful.
Do you listen to music when you walk?
No, not usually. I listen to the birds and the wind.
That sounds beautiful.
It is. Walking helps me clear my mind.
Do you walk alone?
Sometimes I walk alone, and sometimes I walk with Kekemu.
I think Kekemu loves long walks.
Yes, he always wants to explore everything.
What do you say before a walk?
I say, Kekemu, do you want to go for a walk?
And what does he do?
He runs to the door immediately.
Can you repeat your sentence slowly?
I like going for walks in nature. Walking helps me clear my mind.
Great. Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to calm music and old songs.
When do you usually listen to music?
I usually listen to music when I cook or clean.
Does music make cleaning easier?
Yes, cleaning is more fun with music.
Do you sing too?
Sometimes.
Are you a good singer?
No, I am not a good singer.
I am sure you are not that bad.
Kekemu sometimes leaves the room when I sing.
Maybe he just wants some quiet time.
Maybe.
Can you make a sentence with listen to music?
I listen to music when I cook.
And slowly?
I listen to music when I cook. Music helps me relax.
Perfect. You said you listen to music when you cook. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, but I do not cook anything difficult.
What do you usually make?
I make pasta, soup, salads, and simple breakfasts.
What is your favorite meal to cook?
Pasta with vegetables.
Why do you like it?
Because it is easy, healthy, and delicious.
Do you follow recipes?
Sometimes I follow a recipe on my phone.
And sometimes?
Sometimes I just use the food I have at home.
Does it always taste good?
Not always.
What happened the last time?
I put too much salt in the soup.
Did you eat it?
No, even Kekemu did not want it.
That must have been very salty.
It was terrible.
Say the useful sentence slowly.
I enjoy cooking simple meals. I sometimes follow a recipe.
Awesome.
I talked a lot about my free time. What about you, Mark?
I like taking photos.
What do you take photos of?
I take photos of nature, animals, and interesting places.
Do you use a camera?
Sometimes, but I usually use my phone.
Do you edit your photos?
Yes, I make them a little brighter.
Do you share them online?
Not all of them. Some photos are just for me.
What else do you do?
I watch documentaries.
What kind of documentaries?
Mostly travel and nature documentaries.
Do you watch them every evening?
No, maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
Can you say your sentence slowly?
I like taking photos in my free time.
My turn. I like taking photos in my free time.
Perfect. Do you always need an activity in your free time?
No, sometimes I do nothing.
Nothing.
Yes, I sit near the window and drink tea.
Do you use your phone?
I try not to,
Why?
because I spend too much time looking at screens.
I understand. Quiet time is important.
Yes, we do not always need to be busy.
Sometimes resting is the best activity.
Exactly. Free time is also for resting.
How do you say that slowly?
Sometimes I just sit and relax. We do not always need to be busy.
Perfect. Now, let's practice together.
Think about your free time.
What do you do in your free time?
You can say, I read books,
Or, I listen to music.
or I go for walks.
Or, I watch movies.
Now complete this sentence.
In my free time, I like...
Good. Now answer this question.
How often do you do it?
You can say, I do it every day.
Or, I do it twice a week.
Or, I do it on weekends.
So, Jessica, what are you going to do tonight?
I think I am going to read my book.
No music and no singing?
Maybe I will sing one song.
Poor Kekemu.
He will be fine.
Before we go, let's ask the question one more time.
What do you do in your free time?
Write your answer in the comments.
Use a simple sentence. For example, I like reading books.
If this conversation helped you, tap like and subscribe.
Keep practicing your English every day.
See you in the next conversation.
Bye!
Bye!